objection. There's no objection. I'm calling Alfred Naro.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. When one is an issues-based party, it's very easy just to poke fun and actually criticise the roles and the responsibility of governance, which is what the government is about. And so we are about access to justice, but at the same time we're about the responsibility in the use of public funds as well. Mr. Speaker, I take a brief call just to sort of on this third reading of the Legal Assistance Amendment Bill. What's really clear in the regulatory impact statement is that the current costs of legal aid are escalating out of control. It's clearly stated that the current growth in legal aid expenditure is not sustainable, and hence the reason why the title actually came from. It came very clearly that it was not sustainable. This is not just about cutting costs. This is about making sure that the system is responsive. Mr. Speaker, 25 submissions clearly highlighted their concerns, but at the same time, Mr. Speaker, those concerns were also addressed. Mr. Speaker, there were concerns on the impact on access to justice, self-represented litigants and defendants, reductions in eligibility to criminal legal aid, and amending eligible proceedings by order in council. Mr. Speaker, the SOP 134, in response to the submissions on the bill, the government has approved this supplementary order paper, which removes from the bill the clauses which submitters were most opposed to. Mr. Speaker, with the Select Committee, and I want to commend the Minister as well, has heard the concerns, has ensured that we have adjusted and amended the bill so that it is looking at ensuring that access to justice is there for those that are most in need, but at the same time as being responsible in governance for the role that we have. Mr. Speaker, I do commend this bill. This is a good bill. We've heard the submitters, we've responded. Mr. Speaker, I commend this bill to the House.
I call Dennis O'Rourke.
Mr. Speaker, this bill's purpose is really just another